everybody, today we are making day drinking daiquiris. All right, so today we are at McLaren Campground. It's one of the parks of the St. Lawrence on the Long Sault Parkway near Cornwall. It's gray and humid and sticky and gross, so perfect day for a swim, but the beach is closed, so instead we're gonna do some day drinking. So day drinking daiquiris are really easy to make. You really only need 5 things. One is a bag of ice, some rum, orange juice, lime juice, and a little bit of simple sugar. We're gonna put all these together into the blender, mix it up, and serve 4 great drinks. Okay, so we've got our rum, orange juice, lime juice, and simple sugar here in the blender mixer. We're gonna throw the lid on and bring it over for some blending. All right, time to add the ice. And mix it up. All right, and there we go. A pitcher of day drinking daiquiris. Cheers.